Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to recall mail in Outlook mobile app. So to recall mail in your Outlook mobile app, it's pretty simple. Go to your Outlook and as you can see right here, that I'm ready in my application. So to recall, it's pretty basic. Just head on to your top left corner and hit your own icon. From there, as you can see, you have drafts, archive, sent, deleted, junk, and conversation history. So here, you have your deleted and you can recall actually here. So you just have to long press it, you can select all, and then move this back into your inbox. And there you go. And you can also do the same with archive. So in archive, as you can see right here, just long press it, and then move it back to your inbox or wherever you want it, if you want in deleted, junk, or history. So there you go guys. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.